वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. In today's episode, we will learn what happens when Nanak ji is sent to work with cattle. Mehta Kalu ji, being a father, wanted to teach his son everything about work, responsibility and more. Thus, always put Nanak ji on various tasks. One of these tasks was to take the cattle for grazing every day. Nanak ji obeyed his father. So each morning he used to take cattle for grazing in green areas, and at noon he would bring the cattle under shady trees to protect them from the heat. And himself too used to sit under the shade. While sitting, he would start meditating and became so absorbed, making him completely forget about his surroundings. It's beautifully written by Amarjit Singh in a poem as ਮੱਝਾਂ ਚਾਰਨ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਲਾਏ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਮਨ ਪਿਤਾ ਦਾ ਆਏ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਉਸਤਤ ਹੀ ਮਨ ਪਾਏ ਹਰ ਪਲ ਭਗਤੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਲਾਏ ਜੋ ਨੇ ਜਗ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਚਾਰਨ ਮੱਝੀਆਂ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਪਾਲੀ. However, one day when Nanak ji was meditating, the cattle went into the field of a farmer and grazed away all the crop. The owner of the destroyed crops complained to Rai Bular ji about what Nanak had allowed to happen to his fields and demanded a compensation for his loss from Kalu ji. But Nanak ji very politely said that Rai Bular ji, please check the fields for the estimation of loss. The servant, upon inspection, informed that there was no damage at all. Surprised at this information, everyone went to see for themselves. Upon reaching there, the farmer himself was shocked and said that he saw with his own eyes the ruined crops, and now the crops looked even greener than before. Rai Bular ji said, nothing wrong can happen in Nanak's presence. Thus, the cattle grazing continued for days, and as always, Nanak ji took the cattle under the shade of trees and himself too sat under the shade, meditated, and then fell asleep. As the sun moved, the shade of trees had travelled and moved from Nanak such that the scorching sunlight was on his face. Even the animals can understand the presence of divine power. A big snake, Sheshnag or cobra, came over and spread its hood over Nanak's face to give him shade from sun. Rai Bular ji was passing by and saw the scales of snake glittering over Nanak's face. Seeing Nanak lying still, he was terrified if snake had bit him. He came running, and sensing this, the snake went away. On coming near, Rai ji realized Nanak was completely fine. He felt extremely relieved. He also realized that the snake was rather giving protection from sun to Nanak. He felt overwhelmed and hugged Nanak. He told Mehta Kalu ji that his son is destined for something great in life. Tune in next Thursday for more Sikh History Sakhis. Thank you.